Yes, Volvo na tayo, Han, ha? Yeah! Ito na guys yung pera mo yung nidro ko. Wow! Okay, so I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3.
My count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3.
Pinalitan nila guys. Abong palit. Okay, stand up, baby. Stand up, please. Let's go. We will go get the truck now. Alright guys, let's go. Iwan natin si Bakay. We will leave you there. Ayun guys, it's time to kukunin na natin yung truck sa wakas. Hindi pa natin alam kung magkano ang presyo babayaran, pero meron ng estimate. Ilalabas namin yung ibang pera kasi gawa nga nung nakaraan nga. Come now, Bakay. Kasi nga nung nakaraan nga hindi kami nakapag-withdraw, gawa nga ng hanggang doon lang yung limit. Pero sa bank namin ang limit din is hanggang 5,000 lang, kaya yung iba ilalabas ko sa bangko. Siguro maglalabas ako ng mga $3,000 in total para may pambayad tayo doon, tapos yung iba i-debit ko na. Alright, let's go. Pero antayin muna namin yun si Ate Sinel, kasi si Ate Sinel nasa school pa Nasa school pa si Ate Sinel. Bakit? Let's go now. Ang dami mong pinagproblema. Get into the car now, please. Did you bless Papa? Bless na.
I pooped in school in gym because
You poop in the school?
yeah.
Everybody is pooping, so it's okay. Okay, go now into the car. Go into the car. Tumae daw siya sa gym nila. Normal lang naman ang taong tumatay. Bakit hindi ba? Lahat naman tayo tumatay. Well, anyway guys, talaga. Pero nakangiti na ang lakay tracker. Makakabawi na tayo o makakabiyahe na tayo. Ewan ko sana. Bigyan tayo ng magandang revenue ni manager dispatch ko. Alam nyo naman ang lakay tracker. Let's go! Ano na, Han? Sa summer mo dapat ilagay yan. Kasi ano pa yan, malamig ngayon, hindi basta-basta didikit. Ang temperature is 5 guys, 5 degrees Celsius. Hindi siya masyadong malamig ngayon. Tama lang, kayang-kaya. Kakaya-kaya. Ano yun, Han? Mamaya malaglag yan. Hindi yata fix. Sabi ko sa summer
Fake.
No? Fake ba? Fake? Hindi yan fake. Kundi yung pandikit mo lang. At saka malamig ngayon. Hindi basta-basta talaga kakapit yan. I swear to God.
Where's Ate? Is that this?
No, we will going to pick her up.
She's gonna.
No, hindi yan. Antayin natin dyan.
Ay, sarapan?
Hindi alam. Dyan.
Dito?
Kaya hindi muna ako malis
Oo, hindi mo tayo alis. Oh,
Para
sige.
makita natin siya dyan,
Sige, di bali.
Ano ko lang, itabi ko na lang.
Labas mo lang muna dyan. Okay. Labas muna tayo rito. O, tatama. Malayo ka, Han.
Ang hirap mag-park dito.
Turdy.
Mamaya may sasakyan. Teka.
Oh, magantay lang tayo. Alright, guys. How's his call, kids? You good? Yeah.
I thought we had me and my class thought we had a running test
You have a running test?
I have a
tomorrow.
Oh
Is
yeah.
everything okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm Sonic.
It's all good.
Can Sonic?
We're just gonna wait for Ate Chanel and then let's roll. We will go get Cordapia. So that I can go work tomorrow now.
No.
Yeah, it's time to work, Clarky. We cannot sit all the time without making money. We need to make money for family, for our bills, expenses, food, clothing, etc.
Can somebody say do for once?
Bakit
Let's go get the car.
I need sanitizer.
Let's go get the the truck. Open mo.
Sanitizer. Sanitizer.
Alright, yeah, let's go.
You did not sanitize your
Let's go.
hands.
Please, mommy. You have to bless mommy and put your seat belt, guys.
Nag-bless na sila sa akin sa school pa lang.
Oh, okay. Seat belt, Maki. Alright, guys, tara. Punta muna ako dun sa... Daan muna kami sa bangko. Dito na lang.
Ay, sa bangko ba?
Oo. Punta muna tayo sa
I
bangko.
pooped in school out there.
Dagdag tayo ng cash kasi hindi pwede yung pera nating sa debit. May limit din sa debit.
Okay.
5,000 lang eh.
Okay, mate. Boys versus girls.
Boys versus the other boys.
So, malapit lang naman ito.
Ito doon sa may likod ng sipuhan kasi may hirap ko lang.
Doon na lang kayo, Han. Doon na lang kayo sa gilid. Pag ganun ka naman, oh, baka wala nang ang tao doon eh. Sara doon kaya bangko, hindi na kaya tayo makapag ano.
Stress pa naman. Asquato.
Diyan, oh, mayroon dyan. Gumilid ka lang, hindi naman
Mag-over the
magtatagal.
counter ka ba?
Oo. O yan, oh. Diyan. Alright, guys, andito na ako.
Maglakad ka.
Oh, maglakad na lang ako. Dito na lang kayo. Alright. Dito yung wallet ko. Ano yung card, Han?
Isarado mo muna yan. Wala ba sa akin?
Baka nandyan sa'yo.
Saan mo na-deposit?
Lahat yung card kunin mo sa akin. Kasi kailangan ko rin mamaya doon sa ano, doon sa Volvo. Card guys, man. Lalabas ko na yung pera.
Bakit?
What is it? Oh, we'll check that in the house, okay? Leave it there, cause is that your grade? Perfect. How much?
6%.
80?
96.
O A?
Sabi ko nga kung
Oh, ano?
tinapos, teka lang, kung tinapos mo yan, sana meron kang 100%.
Alright guys, bulbo na tayo, Han, ha? Ito na guys yung pera mo yung nidro ko. Nasa 3,600 something. Yung iba i-debit ko na lang. I-debit na lang namin yung misis. Let's go get Cordapia. Okay? Everything okay there?
Yeah.
Ito ba yung school ni Sinel next time, Han?
Guys,
Hindi doon, nursing home yun. Doon sa ano.
guys, if I got a fortune teller, then you guys gotta choose a number in the comments. Choose a number, then I'll show you. If you choose a number, then the next time I'll tell you it.
Yan,
The
oh.
person who gets the most,
Yan.
the person
Saan?
who choose.
Yan.
No, wait. The number who gets the beat
Malayo.
choose the most
Hindi niya pwede
inside this fortune teller. Then I'll show the answer
Should answer, okay. Diyan, Han?
in the comment.
Ayun guys, ha. Sabi ni Clark daw, mag-choose kayo number. Kung sino naglalaro ng ganon. Fortune teller na ngayon si Ate Clark, ha. You planning to be a fortune teller, Clark, okay?
No,
I thought you want to be a fortune teller.
I don't know. now.
Ikaw talaga. Yan yung mga bata. Magkano kaya babayaran natin sa ano, baka mamaya hindi pa magkasya kung magdala-dala nating pera tapos yung debit, bahala na.
Saan ka nag-withdraw ngayon? Sa personal?
Oo, yung kulang.
Ah, okay.
Kasi kulang na talaga yung pera namin guys. 6,000 lang yung hinanda namin na nakahanda talaga para sa business account eh. Eh kung sobra yun, kaya nagdagdag kami ng nagdagdag kami sa personal. Aba, kung sumobra man o kumulang, bahala na.
Are we heading to Volvo or the dentist?
The dentist.
Let's go get the
Mabait
Cordapia.
nga si Cordapia eh. Pinauwi ka niya ng Pasko eh. Ang dami na niya sakit.
I don't.
Ang dami na yung sakit.
I thought we're heading to.
Na nagsisignal na siya pero pinauwi ka pa rin at hindi ka niya tinutrouble, di ba?
Mom, are we heading to the dentist or Volvo?
Volvo.
Oh, so
Why, you familiar with this route?
yeah.
Oh,
Where we go to the
okay.
dentist.
You guys always do things in with mommy.
Where we go to
Okay.
the dentist.
Okay. I guess magaling talaga si Mrs. Ikay kakaiba. At guys, tara. Diretso lang tayo, lapit-lapit lang. Shortcut na namin.
I want to bongus. I want to bowl mga corn. Your corny kids.
Okay guys, ito kakaliwa na tayo rito. Volvotron. It's a Volvotron. Oak Point Boulevard.
Kita lang tayo mamaya sa park.
Oo. Dumiretso na ba kayo doon?
Diretso na.
Okay kayong bahala kung hindi nyo na ako antayin. Hindi, paglabas ko na lang. Pagkukunin ko na yung truck habang itatakbo na yun. Ayun guys ha. Anong temperature nga doon?
-7 lang dito.
-7 lang.
Ang ganda nga ng winter ngayon eh.
Malay mo baka mamaya meron pang tratarode ito. Ibanat pa niya yung mga malalamig niya sa mga susunod na araw o buwan. Hindi na ba lalamig?
Mga first at saka second week ng December, -30, -42 with wind chill.
Tapos na kaya?
Sana.
Para hindi na tayo malamigan. Okay. Ayun ang Volvo. Oh, isa, Cordapia. It's right there. You see, guys, see? Volvo right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ate Clark read the Volvo thing. Ate Clark read the Volvo thing. Beaver! Ay guys, dito na tayo sa Volvotron. Nandito na kayo sa Cordapia.
You're disgusting.
It's a Volvotron. Malay mo. One day makakuha tayo ng bago-bago.
Where's Cordap?
Okay.
Finally,
Dito muna kami
Cordap.
kasi
Hoy, pasok ka
kailangan
dun.
ka eh.
At guys yan. Ito muna ako sa loob para magbayad.
Althea.
Makita mo yung truck natin dyan. Okay. Wait for me here, okay? I'll go get pay Cordapia. Yes! Si Steve, oh, Steven Seagal. I'll come to pick up my truck.
Version? Sure. If not, somebody will be calling you back. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so it sounds like we're gonna go ahead with it. I'll just put the estimate here together so you got an idea of the dollars. And,
Oh, thank you,
we'll
Nak.
continue. Okay? Okay, thanks.
Hello sir, good afternoon. I'm here to pick up my truck 2098.
Sure.
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay, winter service is special. What do you have in here? Save 154. Meron silang package.
Just gonna be a moment here.
Bulb set adjustment. May mga pakulo rin sila oh. Prepare for the snow package Volvo.
Okay, gentleman's waiting. I'm just finishing up with this guy. Hi.
There? Okay. I'm here to pick up the 2098 tractor.
2098.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kingfisher on my one trying to pay for the. You're the. You do. Do you mind if I steal it, or do you need so?
Sorry?
The machine.
Well, you want to use it first. Give him the bill to review it first. So.
Okay.
Tapos bibila ako ng ganito guys, o-ring.
2098, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is your recall $0 invoice.
Okay, so
That's
recall. What is it did you did with my recall? ABS, ECU?
It's a software update for Bendix, ABS.
No, okay.
Yeah, and this is your actual review for the amount that you're gonna pay. You wanna have a look for everything, what's done, all the details.
Mm-hmm.
Once satisfied, let me know, I'll get the machine ready.
Check bolt code. Okay. So I refuses to work order here. I think that's the diagnose for engine oil. ABS diagnose. Ayan. Meron, tignan ko baka mamaya na isama guys dun sa lighting system. Lighting system headlamps diagnose. So this number 7 here is still check. I still need to pay. Is there any pay for labor in this?
Number 7?
Yeah, lighting and system headlamps diagnose.
Yes, for the diagnose part only.
Okay.
Yeah.
I supposed to be telling you that before that don't diagnose that, I guess. But it's been a while since that, like before.
Okay.
Every time I bring my truck here, you guys every time check that as well, and then I always paying it. Because it's not actually mandatory, because I still have the left one in the driver.
The driver is working or not working?
No, the driver side is working. So only in the right side, the headlamp. The last time I come here, you also diagnosed this again, and I told you guys do not touch it. And then right now I have you diagnose it again, which is you just only probably turn on my right the key on,
See what he did. 1 second.
because it looked like I have a labor for $100 and miscellaneous $40.
You said number 7, right?
Yes, it's right here.
Okay, yeah, I'll correct that.
Yeah, please, because the last time I come here, you already diagnosed it, but I paid that one, but I told them not to touch it because it's not that mandatory.
Okay,
Okay, so also this license plate right here,
number?
number 8, I asked them not to touch this because I already know I already have the lights and the bulb in my truck. I'm ready to fix this, but they still diagnosed. Number 8.
I'm not sure. It doesn't say anywhere that you refuse this diagnose. And on this one, he put actually some time to get the license plate light. Operation diagnosed, checked the wiring harness and everything.
Yeah, but I already I told the
Do you
guy
know what you
before.
talked to?
Yeah, the one that in charge inside in there. Don't touch it because I know because I already have my inside my truck the bulb and etc. in there because I'm planning to fix that. Because I already know the cost of that, so I can do it myself.
Well, yeah, it says you declined the repair, but don't show me anywhere that you declined the diagnose.
Wait, what's Clay's number?
Aegis?
Yeah,
I get it from the internets.
you get it from the internet?
Yeah, internets. Aegis glass. I guess I have to put. He used to have it like right on file. That one.
Yeah, I don't see it anywhere.
Yeah,
For the decline of the diagnose, I see you declined the repair.
Yep.
Okay, no
I
worries.
corrected some on the other
Clay's
side.
self?
Yeah, no PPU. Yeah, that's
So
supposed to
now
be.
New total will be
Hold on, I'm just gonna check chassis, harness. So those only the 2 guys that is not supposed to be done, but the diagnose for the other thing is I cannot do anything about, or you cannot do anything, or you cannot delete the license plate, which is it's already in there. Okay. So next time if I have something in my truck and then when I come here, before you start diagnosing, can I come here to take a look or no?
Sorry, calling from where?
not inside the shop. But if you feel confident about some problem on your truck,
Mhm.
which you don't want us to diagnose,
Yes.
you have to say, you can simply say, hey,
That's right.
Exempt.
you have
Okay.
diagnose, just repair it.
Oh.
If you know that you need license plate light,
If I already know that I have, yeah.
yeah, if you, then just say straight away replace it. Don't do the diagnose. Because if you say it's not working, we have to do the diagnose. Because it possibly could be the light not working. It possibly could be the connector or
Yeah.
the wiring harness behind. Could be anything, right? Could be the fuse. So we, even though if it's 90% of the time the light is failed, we have to do our diagnose.
Okay, so yeah, that diagnostic is that's gonna hurt, you know.
Yeah, if it hurts, well, if you're confident about the repair, let us know. Then we'll just go straight to the replacement.
Okay, so that's how it is. Okay.
I'm trying to see if
So you will not allowing somebody to get inside the truck to show what
We don't
exactly.
diagnose. Then we say customer only want this bulb replaced. We'll get a new one. We'll replace, and we'll charge you for only
Replacement and the parts.
not the diagnose.
Okay.
7454.
Hold on. I'm just still looking at the other thing that you done here. So
likely after lunch.
bulb, washer check. So
And
replace engine, air filter. Okay. Okay, so you remove the other thing, right? Okay, sure. And also I have this in my phone. You know the backlight, so the license plate. I also wanna buy 2 of this because I have to
Yeah,
replace.
you can grab that from parts.
Oh, it's different thing?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
you can
sure.
grab it from parts.
Okay, sure.
74, 54, 81. Ready?
Yes, I have some cash I bring here because my debit is not enough. Here,
Okay.
count this one first. 74. Okay, so I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 3. Okay, so 7, 4, 400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. Okay, so that's 600 right there.
Okay, 1 second.
3,600, I believe.
My count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 3,000.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so and then
3,600.
3,600.
And
How?
rest you gonna pay debit?
Oh, yes. How much is that again?
3,600. So your balance is 3854.81.
3854.81.
Yeah.
You did you remove any tax in there for my cab card?
Yes, PST is removed.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, so I'm paying in my debit card here.
No.
All right. Yeah, sure.
And it's on the hood. Okay. We'll take it from there.
Are you printing me a different one with this? Oh, okay.
Thanks.
You're gonna remove the other thing
What I'm gonna remove?
since you already since
hang
okay.
Okay. What's the
This is what you need.
Okay.
This is just a review.
Okay.
And this is a head assistant. The truck is here now? Yeah. Okay. Is it checking in right now? Or is it on the way?
Checking it. Wait.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Then the truck is at the bay too?
Somebody else is there, so I'm just waiting.
Okay. So as soon as we get it checked into the bay too, we've got ABS check translate.
Yeah. Check
And
transmission, ABS, and
There you go.
So total of okay.
comes together.
And
There's your 74.
And then it holds the speed.
you did not give me the one in the cash.
That cash
He's
receipt.
gonna come in. I have not made.
Yeah, cash receipt. We're gonna need the cash receipt too. I think you have holding the other one.
this gentleman has a truck checking in right after.
Okay, cool.
You give to the guy.
Give me a couple seconds here.
No, I gave to my, that's my accounting guy. I gave him the cash.
Okay.
You know what? How about you grab all this and meet me at the parts
Okay.
desk? I'll see you there.
Yeah, I need the cash receipt too.
I will get you.
So my truck is somewhere in there.
It's somewhere there, but I'll see you at the parts side. I'll give you the cash receipt.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so 7,500. Here? Okay. And also, I would like to take the Your parts here, right?
Parts, you're gonna talk to him in a moment.
Oh, okay. The guy, okay. Just put Lakay Transport if you need my name, or yeah, just put Nestor, my name.
Nestor, T-I
Nided. Yeah.
for
I switched the oil filter because he needed the oil filter. So he needs one more hose.
there you go.
All right, thank you. And I need to speak.
Wait for the parts to
Okay. Ayan guys, para magtali 3.6 yun kas straight para magiging 7,454 7.5. May bibilhin ako dito. Okay.
Sorry, can I see this again in 1 second?
Yeah.
412358.
Guys, GoPro, right?
Yeah, blogger.
Perfect. Thank you. And one small request. उसने अपना चेक दे दिया तो वो रिलीज के लिए
ओके
भेज दोगे
मैं आने जाता रात में की बनाऊंगा
Baka mawala pa ito eh. Picturean ko na para may file sa business, guys. Bibila ako ng rubber. Ganito guys, para dun sa truck.
Load it.
Me buddy is I'm looking for this rubber for the truck. You know, for the our truck Volvo BNL 760 that you put in the the light, because mine is already broken, so I have to fix.
What is the VIN number for the truck?
VIN number is right here. Alright, just a VIN number right here. Last 4 digit 284809.
And it's a tail light?
Yes, 2.
Tail lamp?
Yeah, tail light, yeah. Tail lamp. 2. Cause left and right? So 2 rubber.
I have to order it.
Oh, you don't have?
You need the part number?
I have to order here or what?
I have to order it from Toronto.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how long it will take?
A week.
A week? How much is it in total?
1 second, let me check.
Uh-huh.
You have like a smaller cab, right?
Yeah, it's a smaller cat.
I wonder if I have any.
No shipping fees, $2 each.
$2 each? Okay, so a week? Okay.
Do you want me to order it?
Yes.
What's your account?
I don't have any account here.
Company name?
Lakay Transport.
How you spell it?
Lakay.
L-A-K-U-I
Lakay.
A-A-Y.
Yeah.
Transport?
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's only. Yeah.
And then I ordered it. It's gonna take a week.
Okay, so I have to call you back or?
So I will call you.
Okay, you got my number in there?
1 second. What's your number?
These ones we get.
204.
869.
I will call you.
Okay.
Done. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. This is.
Take this.
There's a bin there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, bye.
For me? Thanks, man. Meron pa tayong libreng ano.
Does it come on when it's
Alright, guys. Asan na si Kordapihan?
Okay ka na, hanapin natin.
Ha? Hindi na. Malapit lang. Ayan.
Ano ito, Han? Nag-check ka?
Hindi, sila. Yung cash nga.
Okay.
Hindi nila pinagsama. Andun yung total eh. Sabi ko, kailangan ko pa rin yung ano. Kasi ito lang
kasi
3.8 lang yun nandiyan. Pero itong total ito, 7,451. Kailangan nila yung cash na resibuhan kasi walang resibo eh.
Okay.
Okay, hanapin ko na lang dito. Tignan natin, Han. Oh, doon na oh. Alright guys, ayan. Tara hanapin natin si Cordapia. Ito. Renotice daw nila kanina. Buksan muna natin, Han, kung anong pinaggagawa nila rito. Han, tignan mo, iparak mo lang muna dito. Buksan muna natin kung anong pinaggagawa nila. Alaman natin kung anong pinaggagawa nila. Bago ang lahat. Okay, so check engine ang importante dyan. Start natin. Wala nang check engine. Dapat mawala lahat. Wala lahat. Okay. Buksan muna natin, guys. Yes, ayan. Super okay. Pinalitan daw nilang mga pinalitan daw nilang filter. Okay. Tapos yung mga wirings bagong palit. Tapos yung mga wirings daw, Han,
lang nila pinagdulasan.
ay hindi ako nagpa change o nagpa grease ang loob. Wiring dyan.
Paano ba Chris ang look nila?
Doon ako magpapagrease at saka lubhan. Ito yung sinasabi. Ayusin ko, aayos niyan. Puta, magkano yung gagawin nila dyan? Almost na. Iyon nga lang yung diagnose. Ito yung sinasabi nila nga, ito yung pinaalis ko sa kanila. Yan yung work lamp. Gumagana pa yung isa ko kaya walang problema yan. Ito-turn on ko lang yung work lamp ko, guys, para makikita nyo. Turn on lang natin. Yan maglagin lang muna ako. Yes! Ayan. Gumagana pa. 1, 2. Yung isa hindi gumagana pa, madali lang palitan yon. Kalahin mo yun lang sisingilin ako dyan ng mga nasa 450. Kaya pinatanggal ko nga diagnose nga lang 150 na diagnose lang nila. Tapos ito, hindi ko na pinagawa ito, ako nang gagawa nito. Ito, at saka ito, wait lang. Na lang yan, madali lang yan na palitan lang yan. Naputol lang yata ito naputol lang Ako na magdadiagnose yan. Alright. Sige na, Han. Makita na lang tayo doon.
Ingat, Han
Alright guys, ayan. Sarado na natin. Okay na ang truck. Daling ko na sa truck. Sa torque ito. I-road test na natin. Para kung may mapansin pa akong hindi maganda at lumabas yung ano ko dyan, mabas yung lumabas yung ating check engine, aba balik ulit dito. Pero guys, so paano? Putulin ko ng vlog ko rito. Magkikita tayo sa susunod na video vlog natin guys. I-road test muna natin ito hanggang sa to. Thank you for watching. Ingat kayo lagi. Peace out. Bye bye.
Lakai Tracker.